Daily AI News. Headlines for June 17, 26. NVIDIA Rubin, AMD MI400, Intel. GLM-5.2, 753B Open Model. VibeThinker-3B Matches 671B. Genesis AI's Eno Robot. Eve, Open Source Agent Framework. Stanford's DeLM coordinates AI. Ai2's AutoDiscovery. GPT-NL, Dutch AI model. VLMs, GPT-4V, Gemini, Claude. NVIDIA's Rubin architecture, due in 2026, follows Blackwell with a new GPU and Vera CPU for AI and HPC. It uses a multi-chip module with up to 12 HBM4 stacks and 3D stacked SRAM. AMD's MI400, also 2026, features up to 8 compute dies and HBM4, competing directly. It includes CDNA5 with enhanced matrix math and FP8/FP4 precision for AI. Intel's Nova Lake, 2026 to 2027, has a hybrid core design with up to 16 P-cores and 32 E-cores, Intel 18A process, DDR5/LPDDR5X, and integrated AI accelerators. These three architectures intensify the AI hardware race, boosting performance, memory bandwidth, and energy efficiency. Chinese AI startup Z.ai released GLM-5.2, an open-source model with 753B parameters and a 1M token context window. Its index share architecture reuses an indexer across every 4 sparse attention layers, reducing per token compute by 2.9x at max context. Scores 85% on human eval, matches GPT-4 on reasoning. Enterprise subscriptions start at $12.60 per month. MIT license weights allow local deployment, bypassing U.S. export restrictions. Available on Hugging Face, Z.ai API, and 20+ coding environments. Index share cuts compute flops. Upgraded multi-token prediction boosts accepted token length by 20%. Users choose max or high thinking modes. A new 3 billion parameter AI model, VibeThinker-3B, claims to match or exceed reasoning performance of systems hundreds of times larger. It scored 94.3 on AIME 2026, a math competition, alongside DeepSeek version 3.2, 671B parameters, and ahead of Gemini 3 Pro, 91.7. Using claim-level reliability assessment, its score rises to 97.1, surpassing nearly all public systems. The paper gained traction on Hugging Face and GitHub, but social media reactions were skeptical. User at Orcus108 questioned if this is a breakthrough or if benchmarks are broken. This highlights the debate over whether scaling up models is the only path to intelligence. Genesis AI unveiled Eno, a wheeled robot with 2 arms and a 3-panel body that adjusts height and folds down. Unlike humanoids, Eno has no head or legs. CEO Zhou Xian, who co-founded the company in early 2025 after his PhD at Carnegie Mellon, plans to produce dozens of units by year-end for manufacturing, logistics, and labs, then expand to service and homes. The startup raised $105 million from Eclipse, Kozla Ventures, and ex-Google CEO Eric Schmidt. Eno, meaning one backward, is the first of several robots. Genesis AI develops the full stack: AI model, training gloves, simulator, and hardware. Today, we are proud to introduce Eve, an open-source agent framework for building, running, and scaling agents. Eve is designed around the idea that building an agent should mean defining what it does without assembling all of the pieces that it needs to run in production. Instead, Eve comes with production already built in, durable execution, sandbox compute, human-in-the-loop approvals, subagents, evals, and more. EVA is the framework that we build and run our own agents on. Agents today are where the web was before frameworks, with everyone hand-rolling the same plumbing. We built EVE to change that, making agent development faster. A new Stanford framework called DeLM, Decentralized Language Model, lets AI agents coordinate directly without a central controller, sharing a common knowledge base to build on verified progress. Traditional multi-agent systems have a main agent that breaks tasks into subtasks, waits for responses, merges results, and rebroadcasts orders, creating a bottleneck as subtasks grow and potentially diluting information. DeLM avoids this by enabling agents to share findings directly, reducing latency and preserving context. Researchers argue this scales better for complex reasoning, making coordination faster and more efficient. AI2, the Allen Institute for AI, has released AutoDiscovery, a tool that autonomously generates hypotheses, runs experiments, and uses Bayesian surprise to prioritize findings likely to represent genuine discoveries, compressing weeks of analysis into hours. It is free to try through June 2026. AI2 also develops ALMO, a truly open large language model, and applies AI to planetary challenges like climate science and wildfire management. Their embodied AI research focuses on training robots in simulation for real-world tasks. Partnerships with the University of Washington, NSF, and Google Cloud support these open, collaborative efforts. GPT-NL is a sovereign language model by TNO, SURF, and the Netherlands Forensic Institute to boost digital autonomy. Trained from scratch on Dutch data, it avoids non-European providers. It prioritizes transparency by publishing source code and dataset insights, with model weights under a controlled license. It addresses privacy and copyright by removing personal and confidential data before training. GPT-NL aims to provide a responsible AI foundation for public services, education, and workplaces, aligning with Dutch and European values. The project is ongoing, with a detailed report in Dutch. Vision language models, VLMs, are multimodal AI systems processing images and text simultaneously. Unlike traditional image recognition, they provide contextual scene descriptions and answer visual questions. GPT-4V achieves 87% on MMU, while Gemini 2.5 Flash offers a 1 million token context window at 15 cents per million input tokens. Claude 3.5 Sonnet scores 92% on Mathista. These models use a vision transformer encoder to convert images into vectors, fusing with language data. VLMs excel in OCR, defect inspection, and medical diagnosis, making them essential for real-world applications. This development highlights a key trend in AI. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.